I'm working on this door. Got some rot. I put these patches in a while, 2 or 3, 4 years ago or something. And this obviously wasn't rotten then, but it is now. So I don't want to rebuild the whole door. It's only rot is down in this area around here. So I do want to put one on the edge because that edge is not wide enough anymore. So I'm going to put one all the way down. Now the first thing I got to do is get these old damn screws out, and I started with the dremel 4000, the 4000C, with a wire brush that looked like this, but that's not a wire one, and that was working fairly good. But then all of a sudden it bent, and it's scary. I was doing about 15,000 or something like that, and that thing started wobbling, and before I could turn it off, it flew out of the chuck. It was like a bullet going somewhere. So you gotta worry about that. And then the other thing is, now what I'm doing now is I've got this little diamond tipped thing on there, and I got the adjusted, what do you call that chuck there? You know, that makes life a lot easier. But at the moment, it keeps slipping. This thing keeps sliding up in there, and I don't want to put pliers on there. You know, you press the button, that locks it, and you give it all I can, and it's still slipping. So what I've been doing, after the wire broke, I took one of these out because I got a lot of these, and they work pretty good. They wear out, you know, to getting down in there. That to get down to the screw, that worked pretty good. But then I switched to this metal cutting blade, and then that, you know, I could do that. And then a couple of them, I just went ahead and slotted them with the steel cutter, you know, and then I unscrewed them. And what I'm trying to figure out is if it takes longer to put a slot in than it does to take this diamond blade to get them out. So you got to go in. I go down one side and kind of lean it back a little bit away from me, hoping it'll pop the other side out. A couple of times it popped them out. So I'm weighing this up. How long is it going to take to put a slot in there? And then what I wanted to know also is, okay, the work I've done on those to get them ready for the drill. This is the shed room. We finished doing this door today, and I'm working on that door. This turned out pretty good. The ceiling, you know, where that styrofoam, I've kind of made it joints. You know, it was not, I never expected that to be the finished product. I thought we were just going to put plywood over the top of it. So, you know, it's going to be pretty cool for a shed. Then now after the door, it's the floor, and I haven't decided if I'm going to put any. I think I'm going to buy the lino. We're going to put lino in here and then see what it looks like, and then if it needs some filler to make it look good, then I'll go ahead and do that. So that's what I wanted to know, is if they come out easy enough. So that looks pretty good. I'll tell you, this attachment has a strong magnet on it. You've seen these, right? You have to pull that out of there, and it's got the reversible countersink drill bit on there. I've been using that a lot. I bought this. This is the second set I bought of those. Could have lost the first one, so that's what I got to do. I'm going to try and cut these up to here. Do that one long one, those two, and this one on the end. And then once I got those off, I'll have to have a look and see if I can go any further. These three, leave those two maybe. Maybe cut them at the bottom, I don't know. God, see what happens. Probably be best if I could just put all new wood across there, wouldn't it? I think that's what I should do. Be done with it. And then that rot won't come back too quickly, so One at a time, though. One at a time. Okay. And this is England today. It's in the, I don't know if it's hitting the 50s or not. Low 60s. I'm about ready to put a sweater on. And it's going to be raining any time now. So we need the rain. And then there's those apples. They're starting to look pretty good.